How a low-cost liquid stops punctures instantly, science, safety, and scope. A low-cost liquid sealant has been documented since the mid-20th century for preventing and sealing tread punctures in pneumatic tires. Early fleet and military records report substantial reductions in puncture-related downtime after injecting a viscous carrier with fibrous particulates into tire cavities. The escaping air carries particles to breaches, where they accumulate and form a flexible plug that seals punctures while the tire remains pressurized. Laboratory and field data indicate high effectiveness against typical tread punctures up to modest diameters, and long-lasting protection for the treated tire life in many cases. The sealant approach relies on three functional components: a viscous carrier to distribute within the tire, particulate/fibrous material to form a plug at breach points, and a bonding or vulcanizing component that helps the plug adhere under compression. Performance limitations include ineffectiveness against sidewall blowouts, advanced structural tire failures, valve stem defects, and compromised or aged tires. Liquids inside tires affect wheel balance. Distribution procedures and proper handling are important to minimize vibration. Widespread commercial adoption for consumer vehicles declined amid industry, warranty, and insurance pressures as the technology reduced replacement and service revenue. Economically, the global tire replacement market generates substantial revenue. Fleet and military use historically prioritized uptime and accepted sealant use for cost savings. For severe structural damage or advanced deterioration, professional assessment and repair remain necessary.